Southwest Airlines. We'd like to welcome you to Houston. Please do remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Your seat backs of your tray tables do need to remain in their full upright lock position. Please keep all those carry-on items stowed right where they are until we arrive safely at the gate and the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, please use caution when you open up the overhead bins. Items may have shifted around during flight and could fall out. You're making a connection here to another Southwest flight. Deplane, check the TV monitor in the terminal for your gate flight information. This is the termination of this flight number, so please check around you. Make sure you gather all your belongings. Unfortunately, once you leave the aircraft, you'll be unable to come back on and retrieve those items. So make note of where you are sitting, but better yet, check those seat back pockets. Make sure you have all your belongings. Folks, we know several people have some tight connections here. If Houston is your final destination, if you could kindly remain seated, allow those people to deplane that have tight connections, that would certainly be appreciated very much. And it has been an absolute pleasure spending this quick 45 minutes with you all. Please do come back and let us serve you on another Southwest flight. We very much appreciate you. Welcome to Houston. We're over cross check.